Alright, gang. Got the carburetor mounted on there. Looks pretty good. Sits a little bit lower, so the air cleaner is going to clear a little better. Still have an issue though. It's still spitting out. It's still spitting out here. Just under off idle when you hit the gas. It pops through there. It seems to be mostly once. Then the RPMs come up. So the guy I had over here the other day looking at it said that I need to do a leak down test with cylinders to see if there's an intake valve that's goofed up. So that's my next thing I'm going to do. If that comes out right, then I'm going to check out the intake gaskets, make sure they're not goofed up when I put them on. So, worst case scenario, I have to pull the heads again, regrind all the valves. But it's a step. It's something I'm probably going to have to do and to get this thing running. But it's slow progress, but it's coming. One of these days I'll get it running right, get it on the road. I don't know. Stay tuned, guys.